everyone, and good afternoon. My name is Idan Fischer. Now, you might not believe me, but I actually just recently graduated high school. Woo. And yeah, thank you. And in high school, I actually had a class called AP Computer Science Principles. Now, that class actually taught me the basics and fundamentals of code. But I wanted to formalize and expand my education, so I came to Boca Code to actually get a software engineering and a game developer degree and certificate, where I can, really find my passions. And I have one more passion that I really love, and that's anime. I'm an anime lover. You can see right there. But anime is a very, very good stress reliever for me. I watch it when I'm really stressed. It helps me calm down. But what could be actually a stress inducer is when I don't know what to watch. I could sit there for hours and look, and I sit there all day long looking, and then I realize it's 1 a.m. and I'm already no sleep for tonight. And I realize I'm really behind on anime. I've spent 10 weeks in a boot camp not touching anything else but code, and now all this new anime has come out. I don't know what to watch anymore, and I have no time to search. So my solution for that is my site called Anime Avenue, where there's all types of animes, anything you would want. There's different genres, different dates. You can find new, old, whatever you would like. It's always kept up to current date because there's always new users inputting newer anime. And it's very easy to find results. It's just a scroll away, unlike, different sites. So I'll show you my demo. If I click right here, I'll show you my site. As you can see, here's the data for it. Now you can sort by date or by rating. So let's sort by rating first, so we can see all the best anime first. So we can see this is very new anime, came out 2022, all very good. So let's scroll through. This is all the data I have displayed, everything I've input in. Now, I don't think The Fast and the Furious is an anime. I don't remember that being an anime. So let's go ahead and delete that, because some user probably put it there as a joke. So as you can see, anime was deleted successfully. So thank you. So let's go create one, right? So when we go to create, we click here, and I realize I think it's a login page, and that's because just like that, I want to prevent people from spamming and trolling my site. So I created a login page first, so if you don't log in, you cannot create. So let's log in as Todd, because Todd loves anime. I mean, come on, I know that.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Can't get enough of it.
And by anime, I mean he knows Dragon Ball Z, and that's it. So I've pre-filled information for this demo, so you don't have to stand here and watch me type here. So when we click here, you'll see that there's some information already here for title, for rating, for image, synopsis, and review. So let's pick a review, right? Todd thinks, it was okay. It's the only anime I ever watched. It was okay at best. So let's pick 3, and he wants to pick an image so that everyone can know, oh, this is Dragon Ball Z from just a glance. So let's go to mine, anime I have. And let's click the thumbnail image, and let's submit. So once we submit, we can see that your post was submitted, and if you don't submit anything, and it's blank like this, you press submit, it won't work. So let's go back to home, thank you. And we could see that the one he just put in, Dragon Ball Z, is right there. Now Todd is saying to himself, I actually really like Dragon Ball Z. It's one of my favorite animes. So you know what? He's going to go back, he's going to edit it, and you click, holy moly, Anthony Guacamole, that was amazing. Watch it right now. So let's go ahead and save it. And you'll see it on the top right that it says anime was updated successfully. So let's go ahead and close out of it. And we'll go see inside. You can see the title, you can see the synopsis, the rating, the review, everything you need to know about this anime. And you can see the rating he just put in here. So let's go ahead and close it. And let's log out to the newest user that comes in, can log in themselves. So back to my presentation. The tech stack that I used was Firebase Auth and SSL. I would rather all my users to be unique and only them. For my logo, I use Photop, which is actually like a online version of Photoshop. For my database, I use MongoDB and I deployed on AWS. For my API, I use Express.js and Node.js. I deployed both front-end and back-end on GCP. For my single-page application, I used React.js and React Bootstrap for styling, which I love. And for future work, I would like to build a city in Tokyo and and have direct messages between all users so I can tie the community knot together and have better discussions so I can have more unbiased reviews on anime. I can favorite a post because I'm really bad with memory. And it takes me like months to memorize stuff, except this 10 weeks, which Todd helped me find. So I can favorite a post so I can have my entire list there for me. And I want to integrate YouTube so that I can have trailers for whenever someone uploads their own anime. That way it's a lot more inclusive. So, thank you. Is there any questions?